Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of a Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, September the 14th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijfer block. A binary, and those puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I will do the half of the puzzles, otherwise it's too much for me. It's time consuming, and also I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, so otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, news of today, it's war day number 203. Yes, 203 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything changed also here in the Netherlands. It's getting tougher because financial everything is expensive, and especially for the electricity bill, the gas bill. Yeah, twice or 3 times more than before. So we don't like war. Do you like the war? No, I don't think so. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. Enough talking. This binary will be number 5170. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. It's different than the binaries in the additional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it's a 10. By that 10 binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. And then double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Well. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5, the 5th one here, the last one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So the last box should be an O. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the 5th one. So this box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Alright. Okay, then, let me see, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5, the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay, and now. And let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Alright. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in this column. If I place number 5 here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Alright. Let me continue with this column. Still, we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the fifth one here, then we still have 3 O's. 1, 2, 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Yeah. Well. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5, the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5, the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this third row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish without comparing in 8 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a Sudoku Medium. Until then, bye-bye for now.